Hello students, this is Vaibhavi and we are going to learn today about functions of human resource management. These functions are classified into two categories. These are A. Managerial function and B. Operative function of human resource management. First of all, we are learning about the A. Managerial function, which comprises planning, organizing, directing, controlling, etc. functions. Now let's learn about operative functions of HRM. These are procurement, development, compensation, integration, industrial relation, maintenance, separation. After learning the classification of the function, let's discuss about classification wise functions of HRM, human resource management. A. Managerial functions. A. Planning. Human resource manager has to determine in advance all human resource activities to achieve organizational goals. Planning of all operative functions in the area of human resource is made with due care. Organizing. HR manager has to design the structures of relationship, jobs and people in order to execute the plan to achieve the objectives. Well designed organization structure is essential. Directing. To mobilize, plan and organization and intention is initiation is required. This function is called as directing. In other words, it can be named as motivating, leading, etc. D. Controlling. HR manager has to ensure that everything is going as per plan and direction. Correction are made if any deviation is observed. All the discussed functions are common managerial functions. Every manager has to have discussed management skills. HR manager must have knowledge of following operative functions which are specific to human resource management. B. Operative functions. A. Procurement. This is the first operative function which deal with getting right kind and number of people required by the organization. It includes determination of human resource requirement, their recruitment, selection and placement. Determination of kind of people is done by designing job duties, responsibilities, qualities of person required with the help of job analysis techniques. Recruitment is related to inviting the maximum number of applicants for the job, whereas selection is concerned with selecting right person for the job from the required lot. In other words, recruitment is positive process and selection is a negative process when more number of people are rejected. The selection process consists of multiple activities like reviewing application forms, psychological testing, checking references, conducting interviews, etc. This function ends with inducting or placing a person properly on the job. B. Development. After obtaining personnel, they must be developed to some extent by giving some form of training. Skills of operative employees should be continuously increased. Supervisory and managerial personnel also need some programs to upgrade their knowledge and skills continually. HR manager has to see the people are put to the best of their use and design the programs for their development by periodic evaluation of their performance. Compensation C. C. Compensation. This HR operative function relates to paying adequate and equitable remuneration to personnel for their contribution to the organization. It covers determining wages and salary structure with the help of job evaluation, wage policy, wage systems, and design of some incentive plans. This function is most challenging task for HR managers since it exceeds economic consideration and deals with the physical income of the employees. D. Integration. Industrial relations. HR manager has to deal with the conflicting interests of individuals, organization and society. For smooth function of an organization, some reasonable integration of all these interests are necessary. HR manager must know how to handle grievances, maintain discipline, manage relations with trade unions, government authorities and avoid as far as possible court litigation on the conflicting matters. E. Maintenance. This function deals with the maintaining willingnesses of employees to work effectively and efficiently. It is done by providing proper physical conditions, health and safety measures, and proper communication with them. Yep, separation. This function take care of employees who are going out of organization. The organization is responsible for meeting certain requirements of the people who have worked for a long time and getting separated. It must ensure that the returned citizen is in good shape. The matters regarding provident fund, gratuity, other superannuation claims are dealt by HR manager. Other things like layoff, outplacement, retrenchment, discharge also are important matters to be dealt with properly. Thus, student, today we learned about function of human resource management. Thank you for being with me and see you in the next session.